What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ Helbiz. Okay. Before we start in this video, everything is going to be just my own opinion, not a financial advice, obviously. Then we can come back to the 4 hours. So I have marked up this 4 hour range, and we are on a lower time frame, just falling down. If you can see that. Now, does it mean that we're actually going to come back to this beautiful area that I'm looking at, right around 66 cents? My opinion is no. For this, it's just more likely that's going to be happening. Okay, something like that, and to come here and then come higher. Again, this is just all my opinion. This is why we can come now to the lower time frame, like the 15 minute or so, stuff like that. So first of all, we shifted bullish here. Okay, but then we shifted bearish one. And now we can argue that we're in this range, clearly. Then this is either going to fall like this or that. So yeah, I'm sitting still by my prediction for this to actually shift bullish. Actually, yeah, this is where we have the second shift. So for this to shift bullish, it would have to break above here. And it actually makes sense. Yeah, it definitely does. To be even bearish from here and here. So have a wonderful day. Peace out and goodbye. That's just for me. Okay, this makes sense to be bearish for me right now. And let me know what your thoughts about HBLB, HLBZ, and have